So now, as we say in the math game show industry, let's get a figure and play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Here we go. All right, so this is the real thing now. And this is kind of timely because he was just named to the Hall of Fame yesterday. But we want to compute 5 to the 5th plus 5 squared over 5, which happens to be the number of career home runs hit by Seattle Mariners legend Ken Griffey Jr. See the perfect shot here with the ball right off the bat. Is that 490, 580, 625, or 630? So, all right, oh, and so there you go. Everyone got it right. Very good. Nice going. It's 630. So, and so did anyone happen to know that, or did everyone figure it out by doing the 5s? 5s. Okay, I don't blame you. All right, so here we go. Here comes question 2. Congratulations, all of you getting that right. So on a round trip, your average speed is m miles per hour on the way out, and 2m miles per hour on the way back. And it's the same distance each way. What is your average speed in miles per hour for the entire trip? Is it 4m over 3, square root of 2 times m, the m is outside the square root sign there, 3m over 2, or it depends on the distance traveled? All right, we'll see how this one went. Question 2. 4 people got it right. It was 4m over 3. So I should point out the audience is behaving exactly how game show audiences are supposed to, where they're not making any noise during the question and then making lots of noise afterwards or when the contestants are introduced. So thanks for doing that. And now, who got that one right? All right. And so, Junhee, how did you get that it was 4m over 3?
So you can either take the harmonic mean, I think, or you can just assume the distance is 2m, and then you should take 4m total. And then the time for the first leg is 2 hours, and the time for the second leg is 1 hour, so it's 3 hours and 4m distance, so it's 4m over 3.
There you go. All right, so that's an elegant way of doing that. Congratulations. A nice explanation. Thanks, Junhee. And congratulations for you getting that right. So at the halfway point after the 4th question, then we'll see what the scores are, and then we'll see the scores at every question after that. Ready for question 3? I hope you are, because otherwise it's going to be kind of a boring thing with that same question on the screen with the answer revealed. But here we go with question 3. On the cube pictured, what is the measure of the smaller angle determined by the red line segment? So in other words, the angle between there when you go the smaller distance between the 2 red segments. Is it pi over 3, inverse sine of 4/5, inverse sine of 5/6, or pi over 2? All right. Question 3. Oh, you all got it right. Very good. It was pi over 3. Harry's very happy about that. So Kelly, obviously you got that right. Okay. And so how did you know it was pi over 3?
So if you connect the other 2, the ends of the 2 segments, so you create a third side, and each of those lengths are √2, or if you assume the length is 1, or they're all the same length. So then it's an equilateral triangle, and that has 60 degree angles, which is pi over 3.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right, it is equilateral. And so do you wonder why we didn't draw that red line segment in ourselves? We ran out of red micro PowerPoint ink at that point. So very good explanation, and we should say we didn't make that one up. This was in an article about Martin Gardner by Colin Mulcahy, and you can see that article and more about more things Martin Gardner, problems associated with him at that URL there.